how to reset your AirTag and then connect it to another Bluetooth device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your AirTags, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So this is basically turned off, but this AirTag right over here is connected to my iPhone right over here, and let's say I want to reset it and then I want to connect it to some other iPhones. I can actually do that, but let's say that you are the owner of this AirTag, which is the first scenario, and the other scenario is, let's say you found an AirTag, you want to reset it and then use it for yourself, right? So if you are the owner, then what you can do is just tap on that AirTag over here, then scroll down to the bottom. You'll find the option called remove item, right? When you tap on the remove item button, so it says this item is linked to your Apple ID. Removing this item will allow it to be activated and used by another person. So all you have to do is tap on remove and then tap on the remove button again in order to remove this AirTag and then disconnect it. Now let's say that you tapped on remove, but the AirTag was out of Bluetooth range, which means that it has not been able to connect it. That's why sometimes it will not show up. But if it was inside the Bluetooth range, it has been successfully resetted. You don't have to do anything. You can connect this AirTag to some other AirTags that are available or to some other iPhone. But let's say you found an AirTag, the AirTag is still linked to the owner's device, and then even if they unlink it, it is out of the Bluetooth range, right? In that case, to reset it, what you have to do is just remove its battery. So to remove its battery, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Just press and hold on both sides and then swipe towards the anti-clockwise direction like this, and then the battery or this ring is going to pop up just like that. Once this has been popped up, you have to remove the battery. If you have another battery, I'd recommend you to use those, but if not, then you have to simply replace it and then remove it, keep it and remove it 4 more times, which means up to a total of 5 times. So just keep it again and then make sure you hear the sound first of all. So I'm going to keep it. So as you can see, I heard a sound, so I'm going to remove it again. I'm going to repeat the process 3 more times, keeping it. Again I heard the sound, so I'm going to remove it again. Again I'm going to repeat it 2 more times. Then again I'm going to hear the sound, I'm going to remove it. And again I'm going to press it, hear the sound and then remove it again. Then just for confirmation, I'm going to do it 1 more time. I heard the sound, so I'm basically going to remove it. Now this AirTag has actually been resetted, but keep in mind that if it's still linked to the owner's Apple ID, you will not be able to do anything about it. But if the owner has removed the Apple ID but it was still out of the Bluetooth range, you can go ahead and then now use this AirTag for yourself. Now just keep it. Now in order to align this, all you have to do is, you can see these 3 corners again. Make sure to place the 3 corners inside of these 3 corners as you could see, and then just press and hold. Swipe it towards the right hand side. The AirTag is locked. Now you can go ahead and then connect to this AirTag from your new iPhone. This is how you can reset your AirTag. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.